I'm all done. Uh-oh. Here comes the rain. Well, I guess I'm gonna wrap it up.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's it, I'm done.
Bruh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's super windy today, so I don't know how it's gonna come out on film. Just wanted to show you, I got finally a 72-inch mower deck installed.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
All right, let me see what I can get for footage, and hopefully the wind's not too bad. And okay, let's get started. I'm not sure how good this is coming out on camera, but the grass is pretty high. I'm cutting it at, I'll show you here in a second, on the number 5 setting, because it is pretty long back here. So I figure I'll cut it high, and then I'll just gradually work my way down on my next mow. So I can feel sprinkles coming, so I gotta get going. So I just wanted to show you, I got it set on a number 5, which is, I think, just over 4 inches. That's what I got when I took a tape measure to the blade, but I'll do another video on this coming up soon. Okay everybody, and just like that, with the power of video editing, I'm all done. Uh-oh, here comes the rain.
This sucks. What are we doing here? I don't know.
Well, I guess I'm gonna wrap it up. Just wanted to say, everything went good. Okay, that's it, I'm done. Well, that was interesting, just getting soaked. Oh well, what are you gonna do? The rain was supposed to hold off till later, but apparently that's not the case. So other than that, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll have another video coming out with the mower deck and going through it, and the command cut stuff. And yeah, that's it. Be sure to check out my playlist. And yeah, now that the mowing season has finally begun, and I don't even know if I said it earlier, this is actually the first mow of 2026.
What?
We are in early May up here in the great Northeast. We had a lot of snow and yeah. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and my crazy antics. All right, that's it for now. Take care. I'll see you guys soon in my next video.